Hi there! In today's video we will learn how to use the brush script in Docker, combine them together and then run it with parameters and see what it does inside. How can it help you in the day-to-day task? Hope you like it. Let's begin. Let's create a script that will be the entry point of the Docker, and what it does, it will replace from a file a string to another string. We create a loop, while loop. Every 5 seconds it will do the task, echo the file and the string to replace. The script will get parameters from the Docker. So this is why you see $1, $2, $3. $1 is the file, $2 is the string to replace, and $3 is the new string. We will do it with sed. We'll tell him to replace $2 with $3. So the first word with the second word, and inside folder read write, and the name of the file is $1. End of loop. Very simple script. We will do chmod for executable. Okay, now we will build the Docker file that will create our Docker image with this script inside the entry point. It will be CentOS version 7. In the run, I will give him the commands when he create the image, what he need to do. If I wanted to update the packages, to install package. I will give you the scripts and the script and the Docker file inside GitHub, link in the description. Okay, this is the command to install sed, to clean the packages. Then to copy the entry script that I showed you inside the Docker image to the first folder, and to make it executable with chmod. Here I will tell him the entry point name. Of course, same script name. It's important to create the volume, so the volume where you will see when I call the script with Docker run, I will use this volume to mount it to the host. So I will put a file in the host and the string inside will be replaced. So the volume is read write. And this is the default parameters, file name, from text, to text. Of course, we can change it when we call the Docker. Okay, now we will build the Docker image. We will call him demo image. Finished. In the Docker run, I will call the container demo -d, so it will be in the background, and of course the amount of the volume that I told you. So where I stand, the folder is right in the host, and then mount it to the container read-write folder. Give him a read-write permission and the image name that I created. Now is running in the background. Now let's try to put a file inside the write folder, and then we will see if it replaced the string inside from text to text. Okay, this is the file. I have permission, so I need to delete the folder and stop the container and create it before I run the container. Because the container created it for me, so it's with root permission, and I don't want root permission on my host for the folder. Docker stop the demo container, and then Docker rm the demo container to remove it. I delete it with sudo the write folder, and then I created a folder with my user. Now this is the file name text inside the write folder. We'll put a string inside. And you see from text line 3. We want it to be changed when we run the Docker daemon, the Docker container in the background. Okay, let's run it. Here it changed it to text. Let's try again. Save the file. It changed it. Every 5 seconds, the script inside the Docker in the loop will run, and then when you find that this file is with the from text, it will change it to text. Okay, now let's stop and kill and delete the container, and then run it with different parameters. Let's give him the 3 parameter. Okay, I added the string Tomer, and I give the image Tomer and Tomer new. You need to change it. So because Tomer new has the string Tomer, it will do like effect. You will see in line 10, you see Tomer new, Tomer new, because he find the Tomer inside the beginning of line 10, so he changed it to Tomer new, so you see only the new getting bigger. Let's try again. Different name for the file name 2. And now I will change from Tomer to new word. Create another file name 2. Every time you will see Tomer, you will change it to new word. Here you see, change. Good, it's working very good. that's it for now. I hope you like it. If you like it, please press the like and subscribe. I upload the videos each week, so you don't miss any video. Thank you. Goodbye.